Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're breaking down a powerful framework for building real wealth, not just by working harder, but by using a force multiplier called leverage.
We'll start by reframing the goal. Then we'll break down the engine of wealth, the fuel you need to power it, the navigation skills to steer it, and finally, a clear roadmap for your first step. Okay, let's dive into this. Before we talk about how to get rich, we need to define the game we're actually playing. Most people confuse earning money with building wealth and get trapped in a game they can't win, the status game.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the distinction. Wealth creation is a positive-sum game where new value is created. Chasing status is a zero-sum game. For you to go up, someone else must go down. The real goal isn't status, it's freedom. So if wealth is the destination, what's the vehicle? The engine that drives all significant wealth creation is a concept called leverage. Leverage is what allows one person's decisions to have a massive impact. But not all forms of leverage are created equal, especially in the modern world. Historically, leverage meant managing people, labor, or investing money, capital, both of which required permission from others. The internet created two new incredibly powerful forms of permissionless leverage: code and media. And this brilliantly illustrates why this matters. Code and media have near zero marginal cost, meaning they can serve millions of people at virtually no extra expense. This is the engine of modern wealth. An engine is useless without fuel. The fuel for your leverage engine is your unique, unfair advantage. Let's move to and see how this builds. Your fuel starts with specific knowledge. If a skill can be taught in a standard course, it's replaceable and will be priced accordingly. Specific knowledge is the unique expertise that only you possess. You don't need to be the best in the world at one thing. Instead, become very good, say top 25%, in 2 or 3 complementary areas. The intersection of those skills creates a combination that is hard to replicate. So the crucial point is this: the most powerful fuel is authenticity. By building on your unique skill stack and passions, you can escape competition entirely. You now have a powerful engine and high-octane fuel. But to get to your destination, you need a great navigator: judgment. And good judgment is all about playing the long game. What we often call luck isn't just random. As this table shows, you can actively cultivate the best kind of luck: character-driven luck, where your unique reputation itself brings opportunities to you. Playing a long-term games means choosing the right partners. The first trait to look for is high intelligence. They'll help you avoid walking in the wrong direction. Next is energy. You need partners who turn ideas into execution, because the world is full of smart but lazy people. But most importantly, integrity. Without it, high intelligence and energy simply create a very effective crook. Integrity ensures long-term alignment and builds compound trust. So how do we put all of this together into an actionable roadmap? It all starts with one powerful idea: productize yourself. This strategy is straightforward. Own a piece of a business, use permissionless leverage to scale your unique talents, and play long-term games with trustworthy people. This is the path to freedom. The key takeaway is to act quickly on the things you can control: building, creating, shipping, but have immense patience for the market to reward you. The results will compound over time. This leaves us with a final thought. Look at your unique combination of skills, passions, and knowledge. What can you turn into a scalable product, a piece of media, or a service starting right now?